Hello guys, Mr. Donkey T here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix your Xbox if you're having problems, like turning off by itself, turning on by itself. Alright guys, please follow the steps. It'll be quick and easy. You need to open your Xbox. It's pretty easy, just go on YouTube and type how to open your Xbox, or you find that a lot of videos. So basically the problem is this. All you need to do is take this thing out. Like it's gonna be like right here. See this thing I'm touching right here? This. It's gonna be right here. All you have to do is pull this, then take this out. And you can use your controller to like open tray, close tray. Or you can try to fix it by cleaning this. The sensor is a problem. Well, I'm pretty sure it's gonna work for you guys. I'm pretty sure. So leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel for better videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.